Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to remove anything from your picture in Adobe Lightroom, and actually it's pretty easy. I will use the latest version of Adobe Lightroom for this tutorial, but it will be also doable with previous versions. So let's go ahead and choose the erase button in the right side here, and then go to either remove or heal. I prefer heal personally because I think it does a better job. So let's say I want to remove this one here, this tree here. So I'll just select it. As you can see, it has just disappeared completely. Let's say I want to remove this here. So it will also do the same. I want to remove these two. Yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty straightforward and easy. And as you can see, sometimes it messes up the generation, like right now. So you just have to do Control Z to go back, and then just maybe down the size and the feather, and just make a more precise selection like that. And you'll be good. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.